Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sell Hype token on the Kucoin app. First, let's go to Kucoin app. Then we need to go to the trading section. If you want to sell on a trading pair, click on the symbol. And let's type Hype to find the correct trading pair. Tether trading pair has the best liquidity, so I recommend using this one. But if you want the quicker way, go to the Convert section. We need to pay with Hype, so let's find this crypto on the list. I want to get USDC, so let's find it on the second list. Here it is. Now you only need to type how much you want to convert, and click Convert to USDC. Here just confirm the order. And that's it. As you can see, I have converted my Hype to USDC. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.